Okay, so we got a second game now. It's preparing with.
Haven't yet. That's all of it.
I don't really care. I'm just gonna record it. Don't give me this.
Yeah. Today the most pretty this one.
So basically we got Mama set again. Great Nature against Narukami. So basically it's like Chris versus Kai. Obviously this. But too bad we doesn't have Christopher, so let's just pretend Christopher is a gay.
Yeah.
Like this bitch. Yeah, guilty crown. Guilty crown, yeah. So yeah. Or maybe just
I see High School DxD.
How the hell is it High School DxD? Don't really get it. Whatever. So yeah. So basically copy hymns with a starter. and we see Gundam style music in the background and he's dancing like an idiot like that. You dance again. I will record it. Yeah, so yeah. So let's shuffle our decks and start it. So basically the second game of the match for misgrading, not getting a grade 2, and this guy wanna end with a triangle cobra. And he's and yeah. So
I misgrade again. High five.
He misgrade again. So let's see the 2 cards. Okay, so we got these 2 cards. Okay, so we got right now card here.
Wow, I hate you lah. At least I never misgrade.
Okay, let's see your hand. Oh wow, see your hand. Oppa Gangnam Style.
I wanna
Stand up.
Gangnam. Drop.
Mama Circle.
Pencil square, right?
Halo, Lee Soldier Leaky.
Makan. Sexy lady. Sexy lady.
Ooh, ho, ho, ho.
4K plus mama set. Check. Quick power.
Fasto tick. Good power. Thank you, the god of Shimasu.
Plus mama set.
Draw. Stand.
Oi!
So you see a Gundam style messing around with some idiots, bitches. Yeah. Bino tiger. The nut with a binoculars tiger. Binoculars on his body.
I'm a gay.
That's because you are. 9k Vanguard. 19.
Check.
Skill hazard trouble.
I misgrade lah.
So it's 3 damage against 2, yeah.
Lucky!
So trigger pass. Oh wait, no, trigger pass, damn it.
Balik, AK.
Yeah, AK.
How the hell is it AK?
Must have something behind.
Seriously? Let's study wrong then Q.
Maka
Q. Plus 5. Crit. Plus 5.
damage equal damage.
So you see, there's 4 damage to 5 now. If he misgrading.
Lucky! Again.
Shall we see his hand again? So yeah, he's like
so
shit.
Awesome.
4k where?
4K to Bano. 4K to Mono.
Oh, there is no pass.
Check.
No
power
pass.
to drop.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just take it. You only got 4 damage. He got no crit.
Still need one more. Still need one more 10.
He's no crit.
One more 10.
He got no crit. Gundam style. Yeah, whatever. So we got Wyvern Strike. Isn't this supposed to be retired?
Oh yeah, huh?
So it's 22k from DG. So we got 5 days. Is he going to get to?
Consent.
Table ship they got. Ooh,
Babylon.
We see a consent on Babylon.
10.
We see a consent.
The raw. Mother die. Bangga.
Misgrade?
Vanguard 4K mono. Check lah.
Final turn this.
Serious?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can find turn. You only got this card of you.
You mad, bro? Just kill me, bitch.
Chill. No guy.
No way, I want to guard.
Sounds like shit.
放下来 You stupid son. What's that?
七条。
不用过。
Don't go, no.
Drive check. Get
Wow,
to heal
hostel.
trigger. Power plus percent. Huge one.
Unless you get a crit.
Second check. Get to Krieger trigger.
Bye-bye.
Krieger power.
Say goodbye to your heal.
One gun.
Check.
One more.
Second check. Bitch, please.
That's
The
the end of round 2. So that's 1-1 from Naru and Great Nature. Both of them misgrading. So we'll continue the next one later. Go away lah.